To remove this taillight, I'm going to stick an 8mm socket in here. It's going to be one bolt here. There's supposed to be another one here. Mine's missing. It's broken. So I'm just going to take this one out. I put a piece of rag on the end of my socket so that hopefully once I get the socket on here, it'll want to stick onto the bolt so that I don't drop it inside of the body there. If you have a magnet, that works too, or a magnetic socket, even better. And once this is unthreaded, it should be able to come right out of here. And there it is. My trick worked. I'm just going to leave it like that. Again, like I said, there should be a second one down there. Mine's missing. Now you can take the taillight, pull straight out. Has a couple clips here. And on the back side, you'll have the bulb connectors. So there's a tab on top, one on the bottom. They both have to get pried up, away from the bulb socket, and then out. Oh, yeah, sometimes they break. They're old and brittle. Just be careful. There's one. And this one is the same. I guess this one's already broken here. All right. Set this aside. Now you have two bulbs here. This is the reverse light. This is the brake light. Ignore this hole here. This is an aftermarket tail light that apparently has a slot for two lights. And for our tail light, we'll have to pull the sockets and the bulbs out. So twist it counterclockwise. That'll unlock it and take it out. Do the same to this one. Take your new assembly. You'll see that the holes are covered with some plastic so that debris doesn't get in there for shipping purposes. So take both of these off. Then you can put in the reverse light. There you go. Twist it clockwise to lock it in. And do the same to the brake light. It has, both of these have two smaller tabs and one larger tab, so it'll only fit in one way. Twist it to lock it in. Plug both of these back in and make sure the connector clicks. Hopefully your locking tabs don't break. Just like that. And now you want to slide these little hooks into these two holes on the body. Press it in. Now let's put in the two screws that mount the taillight. Hold the taillight and put in your mounting screw. Make it nice and snug, but don't over tighten it. It's just going into plastic. Take your socket off. And then I don't have a second one, unfortunately, but if you did have a second one, you'd go ahead and do the same thing and install this, and then do the same thing to the other taillight if you need to.